Introduction. Seema is spending her Dussehra holidays at Kerala with her parents. She notices some strange-looking boats on water. These boats have huts built on them. She inquires her father about them. Her father tells her that they are houseboats. Tourists stay in them and enjoy the scenic beauty around. In this lesson, you will learn about different types of houses. Kacha house. Houses made of mud, grass, straws and leaves are kacha houses. They are also known as huts. Kacha houses are found in villages. They are cheap and easy to build. But kacha houses cannot face storms, heavy rains and earthquakes and get destroyed. Pakka house. Houses made of bricks, stones, cement, concrete, iron and timber are pakka houses. They are found in towns and cities. They are expensive. Pakka houses are strong and can face storms, heavy rains and earthquakes. Good house. Houses protect us from extreme weather conditions. Houses may be small or big. But a good house is one which is airy and well ventilated, has open areas like verandas, has a separate cooking area, has a separate sleeping area, has independent bathrooms and toilets, has a separate area for entertaining guests. Clean house. We must keep our houses clean if we want to lead happy and healthy lives. We can do so by ensuring that drains are cleared regularly, garbage is disposed of every day, insects such as mosquitoes, flies, cockroaches, etc. do not breed in and around the house. Some other shelters. Apart from kacha and pakka houses, there are some other forms of shelter. They are houseboats, igloos, caravans. Houseboats are houses on boats. They float on water. They are found in Kerala, Kashmir, etc. Igloos are houses of snow. They are made by Eskimos. They are found in Greenland. Caravans are mobile houses. Such houses have wheels. They can move from one place to another. They are used by gypsies who wander from place to place. Home is the best. Houses are structures made of mud, straw and leaves or brick and mortar. A home is a house occupied by a family. Their laughter, happiness and love make a house a home. Shelters of animals. Like human beings, animals also have their shelters. Man built shelters for his tamed animals such as kennels for dogs, sheds for cows, and stables for horses. Other animals build or find shelters for themselves. Birds build nests. Bees make beehives. Owls live in tree holes. Lions live in dens. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. Houses made of mud, grass, straws and leaves are kacha houses. Houses made of bricks, stones, cement, concrete, iron and timber are pakka houses. A good house is airy and ventilated. Clean houses help us lead happy and healthy lives. Some other forms of shelter are houseboats, igloos and caravans. Animals also live in shelters such as kennels, stables, sheds, dens, etc.